Hey, beautiful guys, welcome back. Be honest for a second. Does your Android phone sometimes feel slow, lag, or just not as smooth as it used to be? Apps take time to open, battery drains too fast, and everything just feels annoying? Well, the truth is, most people are using their phones without changing a few hidden settings that actually make a huge difference. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 Android settings that almost 99% of users ignore. But once you turn them on, your phone performance can feel completely different, smoother, faster, and more optimized. Hidden setting 1, RAM boost, RAM plus, or memory extension. First, let's improve performance. Go to settings, then scroll down to open the battery and device care or device care, then tap on memory. Here you will find RAM plus or memory extension. Open them, turn it on and select the highest available option, then restart your phone. It uses a portion of your internal storage as virtual RAM. This helps your phone handle more apps at once, reduces app crashes, and improves multitasking performance, especially on budget devices. Hidden setting 2, instant speed boost, animation control. This is one of the most powerful tricks. Go to About Phone menu, then open Software Information and tap Build number 7 times to unlock developer options. Now open developer options, scroll down to Drawing section and find 3 options there. Window animation scale transition, animation scale animator, duration scale. Set all of them to 0.5x or off. Your phone doesn't become physically faster, but everything feels super smooth and instant, like a performance boost. Hidden setting 3, smart battery saving, adaptive battery. Now let's save battery life. Go to settings, then scroll down to open battery, then find and tap on power saving mode, then tap on the 3 dots more icon and choose the adaptive battery. Turn it on. What it does, it learns your app usage patterns and restricts background activity from apps you rarely use. This reduces battery drain and keeps your phone efficient all day. Hidden setting 4, stop lagging, background app control. Go to settings menu again and open apps. Select heavy apps like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Open battery usage and choose restrict background activity or put app to sleep. Result: apps stop consuming RAM and CPU in the background, which makes your phone smoother, cooler, and more responsive. Hidden setting 5, internet speed boost, private DNS. This one improves browsing speed. Go to settings, then open the connections, find more connection settings, open it, then go to private DNS. Select private DNS provider, hostname, type ttas.google, then tap save. Faster website loading, more stable connection, and improved online security. That's all for today. Which setting worked best for you? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.